we're going to load the camper up into the back of the truck with all our other camping gear. We're gonna take that camping this weekend. All right, we're in the truck. Let's go grab some gas, some pizza, some grub, some food. Starving. Then we're gonna come back and hook up the trailer. Or the camper. Put it in the back of the truck, not the trailer. Long day, tired, it's hot out, got a long sleeve on. What a goofball. Alright guys, we're at the gas station. We're gonna go get some pizza, get some gas. Meet you back at the house. Alright, we got fuel, we got pizza. Pretty dang good pizza. Alright, pizza's gone. Opening my Arizona. These ones are delicious. Now we're gonna go in and check out this butcher shop. Alright. Alright, let's go inside, check.
It's like $30 at Walmart for one. We know, we go there all the time.
No, we don't have any right now. At some point we might start carrying them, but
That's all right. I'll find out. How are you doing?
What's going on?
how can I help you today?
Yeah, so I got frozen, or I can cut you up some fresh if you're doing it tonight. It's up to you on how you want to do it. I'll just take a little bit up frozen. Probably best to do.
Alright. So I really just wanted to check the place out, see what they had on in there. My girlfriend's already been in there once. She got some stuff. I just wanted to see what they had going on in there. They got some fresh steaks. That looked pretty good. But for now, I think we're just gonna skip that, and I think my girlfriend's already got some stuff for tonight. Alright. Okay, so I wound up skipping looking at the campsite only because it would take me too long to drive up that dirt road. I think I'm just gonna back my truck underneath this camper, get that ready to go. Then I'm gonna take the buggy, since I got some gas. I'm gonna take the buggy down and look at the campsite with the buggy. That way it'll be fun, and I can take a look at it. All right, let's drop this. right. We got the camper all ready to go. All we got to do is get it loaded up, head to the campsite. But right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab the buggy, we're gonna go over, grab that gas can that we dropped off, fill the buggy with some gas, go check out some campsites, see where we want to park this truck. Alright, so I got the buggy and I got my GoPro on, so I'm getting ready to go check out some campsites, see where we're going to park the truck camper tonight. I just got to go over, grab the gas can, fill this up with gas, unload this stuff in the back, and then we're going to head to go see if we can check out some campsites. So I waited for my girlfriend to get home, and I brought one of my dogs, Posey, with me. Drive and check out the campsite. So this is one of the campsites that I would want to stay at. I don't want to bring the dogs here just because it's a beaver swamp, but hopefully I can do either a solo camp here or just me and my girlfriend.
Damn, shit's deep as hell.
That is really deep. Starting to come in the buggy. Well, we're just gonna have to go for it, I guess. That was really sketchy. Log in the way. We're just gonna drive around it on this side. gonna take this trail to the left. That one's pretty watery. We normally take that one though, but it's pretty deep. Four-wheel drive. Back to two-wheel drive. Well, we just got out and moved that tree. Now we're back on the road. Make a pit stop, clean the camera lens, back on track. So this is campsite number 1 that I'm thinking about. Just because look at that view. That is beautiful. Then we're gonna go check the next spot right after this. So we're on our way back to the house and grab the truck. Get everything packed up, grab the truck, and then get to that spot then. Alright, I'll see you at the house. Alright guys, we made it to the campsite. A couple of the spots were already taken. We actually had to go to this one. The spot where we were at with the buggy was over behind those trees, coming down that hill right there. I wound up not going there. I came to this spot instead. That's my dog Napalm, Winston, and Fizzit, and Posey. Alright guys, so even though this spot has a good view, it is pretty close to the road. As you can see this car that's about to go by. There it is. Alright. So since it is close to the road and it's kind of like just a pull off, but it has a nice view, but there's no firewood. So I can't have like a campfire, which I really want a campfire tonight. So we're gonna move across the road. There's another campsite across the road that's kind of in the pines. We're gonna load the dogs up, load everything back up in the camper. We only have a couple things out, a couple chairs, and the dogs are out, my camera stuff. So we're gonna get all that loaded back up in the camper and move across the road and get a fire. Okay, so we have made it to a different campsite. It's got a fire pit already. Can't really see because it's super dark out right now. We're getting here pretty late. All the other spots were taken up. Everybody's camping this weekend, I guess. So we're gonna get a fire going here, get some food going, see what we can get.
I'm gonna give these two the bark box.
Okay. There we go. We'll let that burn up a little bit. Should catch fire. I'll throw this bigger stuff on. I'll let the flame catch up for a little bit. Should be good. I don't want to put any more on. I'll let the flame catch up. Should be going here in a little bit. Alright, the flame is slowly starting to catch up. Throw some of these small sticks on here. Alright, I got the fire to where it's going by itself. I'm gonna go inside the camper and hang out for a little bit, get a drink and hang out. Then I'll come back outside when we have a bed of coals and start cooking up some corn. We'll let that cook up for just a little bit. Alright, while that's cooking, I'm gonna go outside, smoke a cigar. You wanna grab that little fan so we can have the fan blowing out that window? Because we don't have this vent on up here. Okay guys, we got some corn, we got some chicken, it's all cooked up, got some drinks in the cooler, ready to go. We're gonna eat some food, watch some movies.